using zoom mode in HeartWorks 3D echocardiography. From 2D imaging, 3D imaging is activated, and the zoom option is selected from the control console panel. The boundaries of the selected volume are visible in the heart model window, and the probe position can be moved. In the 3D imaging window, the two parent orthogonal 2D planes are displayed. The boundaries of the zoom volume and its position can be adjusted by dragging the edges of the region of interest in each plane. The selected zoom volume can be displayed by clicking the Display 3D button on the control console. The display volume can be magnified and manipulated as usual, and the probe remains live. The zoom volume position and size can be further refined within the 2D imaging planes. Changes in the size of the volume are reflected in the frame rate. Gain can be adjusted, and multi-beat acquisition can be selected. If multi-beat acquisition is opened, the option of between 2 and 6 beats is available, and stitching artifact is displayed. Clicking on the breathing icon will turn breathing off, and the stitching artifact is removed. The selected volume can be acquired for further manipulation.